Okay guys, I'm working on a project for a client and something's been really itching on me, and it's this thing. It came in the mail a couple of days ago and I promised myself that I wouldn't open it until this project was done, and it looked like it was going to be raining, so it was not going to be a problem, but now the sun is shining and I can't really wait anymore. So let's see what it is. Check it out. It's the fairly new DJI Mavic 2 zoom. Some ND filters. Somebody online said that I needed those. I don't really know what. And the fly mode combo. So I'm not gonna talk to you about this drone in like the same way that a lot of people online are doing. I'm not going to do a complete review of this because there's so many skilled people out there doing reviews, and well, go check their videos. But I am going to talk to you about why I chose the Zoom over the Pro version. It's a really tough choice. Do you want to go with the full inch 1-inch sensor, or do you want the zoom capability and do the more cinematic kind of shots? For me, it was pretty difficult to make this choice because I really like the Hasselblad on the Pro version, but in the end, I had to consider where I was filming. For the most part, I'm going to be filming here in Denmark. The rules are quite strict, meaning that you can't go too close to somebody. You have to keep the safety zone and all that stuff. So my thoughts were that with the zoom, I would be able to fly within all these restrictions, but still get close to the things that I want to shoot. I am gonna, of course, take it out for a spin and show you some of the nice footage that comes, but for now, let's just do the unboxing. So let's see what we got here. Let's go. Oh. Check this out. Feels kind of plasticky and What else we got here? Got the controller. Feels nice and solid. Got some. Oh yeah, we got some cables. Don't really care about that right now. Then we got charger. And some more charger. Yeah. What we got here? Extra propellers. Some more of those. And all the boring paperwork. The fly more combo. Ow. Look at that. Some more paperwork. Here we go. This feels really good. Like really well built, like it's gonna last. Buy more kit. Strap for the back. I don't know what this is. Guess we'll have to see. Ah, it's for the charger. More charger. I don't know if you guys can see, but down here we got the 2 extra batteries and this sort of small divider. It's made of a flippable material, so it sort of flips in place, like, to keep the batteries in place. This is actually really, really smart. I really like this thing. Well, I have to say that this feels extremely nice. This bad boy feels extremely nice. Overall, everything seems solid built and something that's gonna last. So I'm really looking forward to flying this thing. Now I'm gonna throw it in the charger, make sure all the batteries are full, and then I'm gonna take for a test flight. So we're on our way to find a good spot to fly the drone. It's always important to have safety in mind, and this is the first time flying this drone, so I just want to be sure if it goes to then well, no one will get hurt. Well, except me maybe. Now I know a lot of people might think I forgot to put on the propellers, but I actually like to start it up the first time without the propeller, so in case anything goes ape, then it won't take off and leave me, well, decapitated. Be sure that the propellers without markings go on the motors without the markings. So the ones with the white rim on the top go on the white, and the ones without go without. Man, this thing is stable. Well, after flying this thing for about 25 minutes or so, the battery is dead, and this is not by any means at all to say that it only lasts for 25 minutes, because I've been doing a lot of EMU calibration, compass calibration, playing around with the app before I even started the drone. So it might do longer in good weather. I think it's gonna do a lot longer on the next battery. But my point is that these 25 minutes have been incredibly fun. Incredibly fun. So I'm looking so much forward to playing with this drone in the future. I don't want to talk, I just want to fly.